Yes. So what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you say like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the community. Understand what I say? Yeah, man. So yeah, man, the Tavi Zoey thing at man. Including Chuck Star and RJ LOL. Is it me? It's a big LOL. It's a big. You know what I mean? Everybody I say, yo, some people say if them wonder if it's real, some people say if them wonder if it's fake. Me, content. You see me? But anyway, these people are acting. But anyway, let's just take it at face value. Let's just say that this was actually going on. See? We see a video which it's come like Chuck Star still a beat it. You see me? Chuck Star still a beat it because my girl in a Chuck Star better wine and a bubble and beer things. But just the other day, I apologize to RJ because you know what I mean? You go on away upon Chuck Star and the prank to the dog take it away. But anyway, you can watch the video real quick and then we discuss about man the sci-fi. You see me? See what I go on real quick in the Gideon because I tell you this right now. Mama, hello.
Yo, dog, I never fuck it on the land. She want to looking at girl, look she plan. She give money pussy, I'll make her use a bomb. And anytime when she want the foot, feel phone, she a call, you know. Then she pull up on me yard, Josh she can keep off, said she want the egg for looking at girl, look she plan. You know, she say me make a girl.
Alright, anyway, yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, you see how she laugh when she say, yo, she give me the nookie and make you use your palm. So she laugh. You know rate RJ, man. If this actually real, you know rate the G. You know rate RJ. As me tell you, you know, stop validate them girl. Yeah, road me general. I will leave them girl and I give enough front, you know, them just want have you around them for just validate them. You see me tell them pretty. Tell them say no man no deserve them, call them this and them that, brother. RJ get himself in one situation where, brother, you just a orbiter, bro. You see me just there on her for the show her with nothing but compliments, you know, for just bill her and boots her ego so she can tell her things like, RJ, you need to call me. RJ, you need to pick up your phone. When you watch her video when she talk about the G, you need to do this, you need to do that. You see me? And then it's not even like say, yo, she give the dog the crutches or not like that. She just say, yo, she want back her best friend. Her best friend, your name in the blood clot for my general. Best friend, you know, name long cocky or fucker man or, you see me? Wicked man or, you know what I mean? Big good, rare. You just name best friend, my G. You understand? Say, you don't know, say Chuck Star still a beat it. You see me? Yeah, man, as I can see the title, Chuck Star still a R. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, Chuck Star beat the skins off of that brown bread. You understand? Yeah, Chuck Star alone can tell you if the pony bleach or if it black same way. Chuck Star alone can, they must say RJ and I get enough run from it. You see me? They must say RJ I use her palm and she laugh same time. Yo, watch about that video there one more time. That video I'm amusing. I'm not lie to you. If I lie to you, I'm flying. You see me?
Yo, dog, I never hurting her other fuck it on the land. She want the egg for looking at girl, look she plan. She give money pussy, I'll make her use a bomb. And anytime when she want the foot, feel phone, she a call, you know. Then she pull up on me yard, Josh she can keep off, said she want the egg for looking at girl, look she plan. You know, she say me make a girl.
Mama in a drawers, you know. You see me? That look like is a drawers or one of them onesie type something there. No, it look like Shavon a hoodie and she look like Shavon drawers. You see me? Yeah, man. Shavon drawers and a dog. But the dog a beat the skins, RJ. What go on? RJ, they must say alone beat it, RJ. Grrr, bow. Lone nuts repeatedly. A whole blood clot knuckle them creamy. Well, I'm to that left with creamy knuckle, brother. I can't make the guy left with creamy knuckle, my G. Everyone said Chuck Star said the dog knuckle creamy. Nah, I get enough front, my G. I say I got RJ, you see me? But it look like a Chuck Star still a beat it, you see me? RJ I make song, make video, and him in my own lane and all these things, you see me? But you don't know how it go, man. Sometimes Chuck Star, know yourself, girl forget fuck ya, brother. I understand how you deal with that. So it go, brother. They must say, yo, my girl left for the streets. No, she is the streets. I will love the streets. I don't want to go on like say them. I love girl where they in the streets. And I brother, I love the street girl. Them brother just know say I use a condom. You understand? Only girl forget fuck a girl who you rate and trust and girl who you fuck alone. You understand? Anytime you know use no condom, you know say a shell on you fuck. You understand me? I say, Chuck Star still a beat the skins. Me feel away for RJ. How wanna feel? That's make me know how to feel now because they wanna look away, dog. You understand me? I say, hey, look away, my G. Chuck Star to Blood Clot. Look where it at. But you see the thing about it now, we wanna forget from all of this when it comes to Tavi Zoey and RJ. Pretty levels, you know. You should know, say she got evoke some form of emotion from RJ with the whole of this. That's why she do the pranking in the first place. But what we need to realize is that she not rate the dog, because if you know the dog feel some type of way about this, you should have never do that prank there, you see me? Because the way how RJ move, we know say yo, you have RJ and Eddie in your middle of your hand. If you say move, RJ are gonna move. The thing that I hear on 876 how the dog conduct himself. Me say the dog take pill to sick out himself because he say you and Dina go for an interview. The dog sleep by your door at 876. You know, if you just hear for you know, you moon or anything. The dog literally sleep at your door for hear if man a beat up the bubble. You understand me? I say then now me say the dog get vexed when time him see you and Dina in a pool. You understand me? I say so. It does rough. I feel away for RJ because the whole of Jamaica said the dog a girl clown now. Me no feel like RJ. Allow me to tell you, man, RJ a girl clown, man. You understand me? I say, but I say it go more time. You understand? RJ, big up yourself, said we, brother. All of we can be girlish, brother. You understand? All of we can, you know, a fuck girl, brother. Sometimes girl have a fuck power, brother. And it does happen that you are that type of youth there. Is it me say, my general? It does sad, bro. Is it me? Because me say you're a good youth. Is it me? Me say, you know, if you get a girl where know how to treat your brother, you would have better off in her life. Everybody has said a girl that take it for granted and she take it for fool based on how she treat you. Me agree. You see me? I don't feel like you value yourself, neither, bro. I say if you value yourself, you would have left from a long time. You see me? If all of this did real, notice I'm always say, if this real, you know, it's like I'm not say it not real, I'm not say it is real. But at the end of the day, dog, RJ, if you truly value yourself, brother, you'd have been gone. You see me? But now wait till the girl with me like finally a brace pan a man and a prank me. You see me? If make it look like say she and my palm. You see me? For hurt my feelings. No, mama, that a wrong bang, mama. You can't want to deal with people you care about like that. You understand what I say? So RJ, I feel sorry for you, but I feel sorry for you, bro, because of years now and I make video with G, you understand? But on a big man level, I no kind of feel sorry for you because I know say you fuck her already, bro. Nothing can tell me say you fuck her because I say one of the two close together. Anytime you work close to a female like that, bro, and get comfortable, unless you're not a bad man and you're not ugly, brother, you see me? And I know say, yo, you're not ugly, bro, you see me? So I know say she probably find you handsome or attractive or whatever, you see me? So when time she goes to boom now, you and her work together and her work close, brother. I know say, yo, your hand probably bunks on her body or her hand probably bunks on your hood and she feel it and she say, yo, she got her bed one of them nights and say, yo, John, no. She want to, yo, you know, say, yo, tomorrow I get RJ some pussy. You see me? I saw woman stay, brother. You see me? If you not initiate it, brother, for them on and it's come off the records, brother. You see me? As I say, I work so close with a female over time, brother. You must fuck at least one time, brother. You see me? And the relationship around have, brother, I feel like say you probably I'll get your hood sucked by her because she have some nice lips, you see me? Her mouth look clean too and all these things, you see me? But as me I say, they look like say a Chuck Star alone can tell you if the pussy bleached to you, see me, dog? So big up Chuck Star and big up RJ and big up my girl for the streets. We love the streets out here. Understand our nation and the Negus nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, hit the subscription and hit the notification bell. Understand what I say? We out.